Good morning students. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is motion. Yes, new chapter of science, that is motion. This chapter is related to physics. Yes, and we will understand here each and every concept related to motion. Okay, so let's start. So at first we will discuss about the definition of motion. What is motion? Motion is change in position with time. Change in position with time. Suppose I am at this point A and I am moving along the straight path. I am moving along the straight path. Here from point A to time B I have traveled. Yes. So this is the linear path. This is the linear path. And I have traveled from one point to this point. One point to another point. So motion is happen. मतलब कुछ movement हुआ है ना? Yes, movement is happened. So this phenomenon is known as motion. जब कोई भी चीज position change करता है अपनी, तो उसे क्या बोलते हैं? Motion. So this guy, we will take the example. Suppose this is one guy. This is one fellow. It is moving from point A to B, then from B to C. Yes. So motion is happening here. Motion is happening here. And time duration also is traveling here. Time duration also is going on. Yes. So from A to B, suppose 100 meter is there. He traveled from A to B 100 meter. And he needed 5 minutes. He needed 5 minutes. So distance traveled with time. Distance traveled with time is known as motion. कोई भी डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल किया तो उसके लिए कुछ ना कुछ टाइम ड्यूरेशन लगता है. सो डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल्ड with time is known as motion. Okay, so this is about the motion, and this motion is also of different types. So we will discuss about the different types of motion. So first is linear motion, that I have traveled along the linear path. This fellow is also traveling along the linear path. That is the linear motion. Second is circular motion. Third one rotatory motion, and fourth one oscillatory motion. We will discuss one by one. Linear motion is very simple, along the linear path. ऐसे भी हो सकता है, ऐसे भी हो सकता है, but it should be in linear path. Okay? Yes. And second is circular motion. Circular motion is happen along the circular path. Yes. Suppose this fellow is running. Suppose that ground is circular ground, and that fellow is moving along the circular path of the ground. Suppose this is one fellow, another fellow. So it is moving from here to here, then it reach here. So this is the circular path that fellow traveled. Okay. So this fellow traveled now circular path, means circular orbit he is covering. Circular orbit he is covering means ऐसे circular orbit cover कर रहा है पूरा का पूरा, तो circular orbit cover कर रहा है, तो उसे बोलते हैं circular motion. Understood? And next is rotatory motion. So many times students confuse in circular motion and rotatory motion. So in circular motion, which is moving, it covers circular orbit. While he move, it cover circular path or circular orbit. मतलब वो circular path को cover करेगा. लेकिन rotatory motion में क्या होता है, जैसे एक axis होता है और उसके around कोई घूम रहा है. ये axis है और उसके around कोई घूम रहा है. Suppose I will give one example. Yes. Suppose this is axis, and this plate is moving around this axis. This plate is moving around this axis. So it is rotating itself. It is rotating. This disc is rotating itself. Yes, along the axis. Along the axis. This is axle. This is axle. So along this axle, it is rotating and it is not covering circular path. ऐसे circular, ये ऐसे घूम रही है क्या? ऐसे ऐसे जाके circular path cover कर रही है क्या? नहीं, सिर्फ अपने ही itself it is moving. Itself it is moving. अपने ही around घूम रही है. जैसे कि अभी मेरा motion हो रहा है. देखो, this is not circular motion. I am roaming. I am moving around myself. I am moving around myself. And if I will travel, I will move along the circular orbit. ऐसे ग्राउंड में यदि मैंने राउंड लगाया सर्कुलर, तो वो होगा सर्कुलर पाथ. और ये इधर के उधर अपना अपना ही घूम रहा है ऐसे ऐसे, तो ये रोटेटरी मोशन होता है. एंड इट ऑलवेज अलोंग वन एक्सिस, एंड दिस इज नोन एज एक्सेल. दिस इज नोन एज एक्सेल. अंडरस्टूड? So don't confuse in that two types of motion, that is circular motion and rotatory motion. So we know that our planets are moving continuously. So sun is at the center and around the sun all planets are moving in their particular orbit. Our earth is also moving. Our earth is also moving. Suppose this is sun and around that sun, suppose earth is moving. Earth is moving. This is earth. So this earth is moving. So while it move along this circular orbit, it is circulatory motion. It is circulatory motion. But as well, the earth move along its axle. Along its axle, itself also it is moving. Our earth itself also moving. That is known as rotatory motion. मतलब ऐसे 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 करके वो घूमती रहती है. समझ में आया? मतलब खुद भी घूमती है, ऐसे खुद भी घूमती है और ऐसे सर्कुलेटरी पाथ भी कवर करती है. ऐसे 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 घूमती है और सर्कुलेटरी पाथ कवर करती है. सो यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. सपोज दिस इज अर्थ. सो ये ऐसे भी घूम रही है और साथ ही में क्या कर रही है? ये ऐसे सर्कुलर ऑर्बिट भी कवर कर रही है. सो व्हाइल we are thinking about its rotatory motion, we should think about its motion which is around itself. And while we will think the circular motion, we have to think about the rotatory motion, about the circulatory motion while it is moving along its orbit. जब वो ऑर्बिट में घूमती है, ऐसे ऑर्बिट को कवर करती है, तो ये सर्कुलर मोशन होता है. और itself घूमती है तो सिर्फ ऐसा ही कंसीडर किया तो ये रोटेटरी मोशन है. समझ में आया? सो दिस इज अबाउट द सर्कुलर एंड रोटेटरी मोशन. सो व्हेन अवर फैन मूव, द फैन इज मूविंग अलोंग एक्सिस. वो सर्कुलर पाथ तो कवर नहीं की, पूरा का पूरा फैन तो ऐसे ऐसे तो घूमता नहीं है ना. सो दिस मोशन इज रोटेटरी मोशन. द फैन इज मूविंग ओनली अलोंग द एक्सिस. एंड व्हाट अबाउट द वॉच? थिंक एंड गिव मी आंसर. वॉच मूव along circular path, or there is rotatory motion happening or circulatory motion is happening. That answer you have to give me in your next period. Okay? In clock, the minute hour and minute hand and hour hand travel along the circular path. As well, we can see they move itself also along the axle. So, is it circulatory motion or rotatory motion? That answer you have to give me. Okay? So कोई भी सर्कुलर पाथ एक तैयार करता है, ऑर्बिट ट्रैवल करता है, ऑर्बिट में ट्रैवल करता है, तो उसे सर्कुलेटरी मोशन ही कहते हैं. समझ में आया? दैट इज द हिंट. ओके? सो नेक्स्ट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, दैट इज ऑसिलेटरी मोशन. दैट इज ऑसिलेटरी मोशन. सो व्हाट इज मीन बाय ऑसिलेटरी मोशन? That we will discuss. Suppose this is one pendulum. That pendulum show oscillatory motion. Suppose this is one pendulum and this is bob of the pendulum. This is the bob of the pendulum. And here this is the bob of pendulum. Here the point O. Here the point O. And at this side point A. And at this side point D. Yes, at right side of me it is B point, here is A point. So what is mean by oscillatory motion? Suppose this is one pendulum, yes, this is one pendulum and this is bob of this pendulum, and if I will start from the center and I have given jerk here, so what will happen? This to and fro is happening. So this type of to and fro is nothing but oscillatory motion. This type of to and fro nothing but oscillatory motion. So this is the bob. If I apply force on this bob and I let it to move, what will happen from center? I will start from center. Yes? Yes? Now it's moving to and fro from one point to another point, one point to another point, from left to right, left to right, left to right. Yes? So this type of motion is known as oscillatory motion. I can start from point at left or at point right also. ऐसे जरूरी नहीं कि मुझे सेंटर से ही स्टार्ट करना है, यहाँ से भी मैं स्टार्ट कर सकती हूँ. Suppose I have started from this point B. This is at left side. So from A to center, center to B, then again center to O, so again B to O and again from O to A. This type of oscillatory motion happen. Yes. If I started from center to A, again O, again B, again O. Yes. Suppose this is center. It is point O and I started from point O at the center, and suppose here is point B. I have drawn here B, that's why I am taking here B, and here is A. So at first it will go towards the A, then O, then again to B and again O. So from O to A and A to O, this is the half oscillation. Understood? So we will understand that thing. This is also another type of pendulum. Yes, simply. Yes. So suppose this is the pendulum and this is the bob, and if the bob is at middle position, it is at middle position, and when I let it to move, so what will happen? It will move at first to A. Suppose from O to A. Yes, from O to A, and the time is required here 1 second, and from A to again O, A to again O, first O to A, then second time from A to O. Yes, and then from O to B and from B to O. Yes, so this was the oscillatory motion. तो वन ऑसिलेशन मतलब क्या होता है और टाइम पीरियड क्या होता है, दैट वी विल डिस्कस हियर. सो वन ऑसिलेशन कब होता है? ये O से A तक गया, फिर A से O तक आया, O से A तक और A से O तक. यस, एंड फ्रॉम O टू B, फ्रॉम O टू B एंड अगेन फ्रॉम B टू O, मतलब उसके ओरिजिनल पोजीशन पे वापस आ गया. मतलब ये सेंट्रल पॉइंट को टॉइसली उसने कवर किया. सेंट्रल पॉइंट को कितनी बार कवर करना है? टॉइसली कवर किया. तो ये जो डिस्टेंस होता है, ये जो टाइम पीरियड होता है, उसको वन ऑसिलेशन बोलते हैं. वन ऑसिलेशन बोलते हैं. सो वन कंप्लीट टू एंड फ्रो मूवमेंट ऑफ बॉब इज कॉल्ड वन ऑसिलेशन. वन कंप्लीट मूवमेंट ऑफ टू एंड फ्रो, यहां से यहां तक, फिर यहां तक, फिर यहां से यहां तक, यहां, फिर यहां से यहां तक. फ्रॉम हियर टू O to A to O, O to B, B to again to O. So this one movement of to and fro, one movement of to and fro, complete movement of to and fro is known as, of this bob is known as one oscillation. समझ में आया? So that is known as one oscillation. Movement of this bob, complete movement of this bob from A to B, and when it cover twicely the center point, that is, then only the one oscillation will complete here. So one complete to and fro movement of this bob is called one oscillation. So this is from O to A, again A to O, from O to B, again B to O. Yes, and if I will start, suppose this is another pendulum, and if I will start from this point A, and this is the center point O, and this is the point B. Here, if that bob is started from point A, so from A to O, then again to A, and again what will happen here? What will happen here? कैसे आएगा वो? यहाँ से यहाँ तक और फिर यहाँ से यहाँ तक और फिर A तक जाएगा, है ना? From A to O, O to B, and then again B to O, and again up to A. समझ में आया? तो पहला मूवमेंट क्या आया? A to O, O to B, then again B to O, again O to A. मतलब अपने इनिशियल पॉइंट पे वापस आया. यहाँ भी O से स्टार्ट हुआ तो O तक वापस आया. यहाँ पर भी A से स्टार्ट हुआ तो A तक फिर से वापस आया. पहले A to O गया, फिर O to B गया, फिर से B to O आया, फिर से O to A गया. So this is the another position of bob. When I let it to move from starting point A, then it will travel in this manner, A to O, O to B, again B to O, again O to A. So from this starting point, again it will come to that starting point. जहाँ से start किया वहीं पे वो आना चाहिए. That is one oscillation. जो पॉइंट से स्टार्ट किया मूवमेंट वही पॉइंट जब वो फिर आएगा उसे वन ऑसिलेशन बोलते हैं. और वो वन ऑसिलेशन के लिए जितना टाइम पीरियड लगता है, टाइम ड्यूरेशन लगता है, उसको बोलते हैं पीरियड ऑफ ऑसिलेशन. पीरियड ऑफ ऑसिलेशन, सिंपली टाइम पीरियड आल्सो वी कैन से. ओके, सो एक ऑसिलेशन कंप्लीट जितना टाइम लगता है उसको टाइम पीरियड कहते हैं. So the time period, if time period is that, one period is that to complete one oscillation. The time duration required to complete one oscillation is known as time period. Okay. So this is about the oscillatory motion. I hope you understood the types of motion. In our next lecture, we will understand fast and slow motion, then uniform and non-uniform motion. Okay, and again about speed also we will learn. So I hope you understood that. Read this portion from your NCERT or another textbook as well. Okay, thank you.